Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain how to design the decoder circuit and to verify its truth table using a mobile application called Electric Circuit Studio. Before we move on to simulation, we will see some basic ideas about decoder. Decoder consists of n input lines and 2 power n output lines with an enable input. Here I have considered 2 to 4 decoder. So I have 2 inputs and 4 outputs with one enable input. This is the truth table of decoder circuit. Here, if we see, when the enable is at 0, whatever the input combination, the output remains to be 0. When the enable is 1, for the combination 0, 0, Y0 is the output. For 0, 1, Y1 is the output. For 1, 0, Y2 is the output. For 1, 1, Y3 is the output. We will see the expression for the outputs. Y0 is equal to A bar B bar, Y1 is equal to A bar B, Y2 is equal to AB bar, Y3 is equal to AB. Finally, let's see the logic diagram of decoder circuit. It consists of NOT gates and AND gates. Now, let us go for the mobile application to simulate the decoder circuit and verify its truth table. This is the work area of this mobile application. You can zoom in and zoom out it. The bottom panel consists of the components required to design any type of circuits. The top panel consists of the functions. Since decoder is a digital circuit, we need to give digital input. We will take digital input from this icon. It is switchable source. The minus sign inside the circle tells you that the logic is at 1 and the 0 inside this circle tells you that it is at logic 0. I am also going to use one LED for better visualization. LEDs. Connect the anode of the LED to the switchable source and ground it cathode. Now if I run it, since the switchable source is at logic 0, the LED does not glow. If I change it to 1, it glows. This is how you can use this switchable source. Next I am going to take NOT gate and AND gate. This is my NOT gate. The next AND gate. Here we have the facility to connect wires. Just press the icon. Select the 2 points where the wire has to be connected. Touch any 2 points where the wire has to be connected. Now we will move on to the actual circuit of decoder which I have designed already. This is the logic diagram of decoder circuit which consists of 2 inputs A and B, then Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3 are my outputs, E is my enable input. Then the first input line, it shows A. The input line from first inverted gate shows the A bar. Third input line is B. Input line from second inverted gate is B bar. Now let us run this. First we will set the combination to 0, 0. For the input 0, 0, the output is Y0. Next for the next combination 0, 1. For 0, 1, the output is Y1. For 1, 0, the output is Y2. For 1, 1, the output is Y3. This can also be seen in this truth table. For 0, 0, Y0. For 0, 1, Y1. For 1, 0, Y2. And finally for 1, 1, it is Y3. Next, I have also said that if the enable input is at logic 0, whatever the input combination we give, the output remains to be at 0. Here we can see the Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3 all are at 0. This is how we can verify the decoder circuit using a mobile application. Thank you.